Hi viewers, today I am here with a very unique thing. I decided that I must share it with you. Today's video will be very interesting and going to be interested one as well. Without wasting time, I would straight away head toward this making of the video. For this, today I have been tasked by my family to repair this broken tray. Uh, Here are its broken pieces which I will be fixing them here. To do this, I have multiple choices. One is uh, extra super glue known as Alfie, and the second one is Rebelite 5-minute rapid 2-part epoxy adhesive known as uh, epoxy. This is a quick adhesive solution. A cutter may be helping us. Then this small stick, I'll be using it for mixing and uh, joining the tray. Then this small cardboard for making the mixture of this. So today I'll be just using, I think, the Alfie because it is the fastest and the best way to do it. So without wasting time, I'll be heading toward the video. Before going there, I am thankful to my old viewers who are always with me and very supportive to me, and all those who are new with me, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, press the bell icon with all notifications on, and at the end must comment that how did you find this video. Okay, straight away moving toward the video. Right friends, this is done, and if you see that there are few still few pieces, very minute pieces they have lost, so we need to fill them up as well. For this purpose I'll be using that epoxy. So let's go toward that side. I'll fill it up and then I'll show it to you. Right viewers, we are done with the repair of this tray. As you can see, it is quite finely repaired and it is looking much better. Now at the end, I thank you all for watching this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, and take care.